A lot of creators and businesses reach the same point. They have been posting for a while, they are putting in effort, and the growth is slower than they expected. So the next step feels obvious: hire an editor. Make the content look better, make it feel more polished, make it more professional. And for a short time, it feels like progress. The videos look cleaner, the cuts are sharper, and the content feels more refined. But underneath all of that, nothing really changes. The views might fluctuate, engagement might slightly improve, but the actual outcome stays the same. No real growth, no real demand, no real shift. That's because editing doesn't fix the problem most creators and businesses actually have. Point number one, the problem isn't visual, it's structural. Most creators and businesses assume their content isn't working because it doesn't look good enough. But the issue is really visual quality, it's structure. If the message is unclear, if the content has no direction, if there is no defined role for what you are posting, then better editing only makes that problem look cleaner. It doesn't solve it. You can have perfectly edited content that still fails to hold attention or create any meaningful response because the foundation underneath it is weak. Point number two, editing improves delivery, not thinking. Editing is a delivery tool. It helps present ideas more clearly, keeps spacing tight, and makes content easier to consume. But it doesn't improve the thinking behind the content. If the idea is weak, if the message lacks depth, or if the content isn't addressing something real, no amount of editing can fix that. It might make the video smoother, but it won't make it more valuable. Growth comes from what you say and how clearly you say it, not just how it looks. Point number three, there's no clear direction behind the content. Another reason hiring an editor doesn't fix growth is because most content lacks direction. There's no clear audience, no defined message, and no consistency in what the page is trying to communicate. One post goes in one direction, the next goes somewhere else, and nothing connects. An editor can improve individual pieces, but they can't align the overall direction. Without that alignment, content stays disconnected and growth stays inconsistent. Point number 4. Content without a system doesn't compound. Even if the editing is good and the ideas are decent, without a system nothing compounds. Content needs structure behind it. Some pieces should attract attention, some should build trust, and some should move people closer to a decision. When you don't have that system, every post becomes an isolated effort. You post, you get a result, and then you start again from zero. Editing doesn't change that, structure does. Point number 5. Better editing can hide the real problem. In some cases, hiring an editor actually delays progress, because once the content looks good, it creates the illusion that things are improving. But if the underlying issues are still there, unclear positioning, weak messaging, no system, then you are just masking the problem. Instead of fixing it, you are making it harder to see. And that's why many creators and businesses stay stuck longer than they should. So the issue isn't whether you should have good editing. Of course you should. But editing is not the solution to growth. It's a support tool. What actually drives growth is clarity, structure, and direction. When those are in place, editing amplifies it. When they are not, editing just makes the same problem look better. And until that foundation is fixed, nothing on top of it is going to change the outcome.